Hello, welcome to Applied Financial Accounting. On this video, we will be summarizing the debit and credit rules in one slide. I know last two tutorial videos on debit and credit rules were a bit long. So the first theory was theory and then followed by a case study. I think it was important to combine both so that to help the audience have a better understanding, practical understanding of how things work. Let's move forward. Before I start on the actual summary, I would like to invite you to make a pause and look at this disclaimer. And this is a summary about myself in case you are interested to know who this person is doing all these tutorials. So this is the summary of debit and credit rules. So I start with assets. So what does debit mean for assets and what does credit mean for assets? So debit increases, credit decreases. How about liabilities? So debit decreases, credit increases. So next account, owner's capital. Debit decreases, credit increases. And then owner's drawing, debit increases, credit decreases. Revenues, debit decreases and credit increases. I know it's a bit maybe so much to learn, but these are the rules. When you apply, these becomes really intuitive and understanding. For better understanding, I highly encourage you to watch the last two videos maybe a couple of times to get a better understanding. And the last but not least, the expenses, debit increases, credit decreases. So accounting it's the rule. There are some rules to learn, and with practice things make more sense. And I would like to invite you to practice some of these debit and credit rules so that you have a better feeling of okay, why it's like that. But as a good hint, whatever increases for assets, it decreases for liabilities. Let's say if debit increases assets, it decreases liabilities. You see here, like debit increases but for assets, but debit decreases liabilities. So these are the rules that have to be learned. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in a comment. If you like my videos, please also click like and subscribe if you have not done it, and encourage those who might be interested to subscribe. As I mentioned earlier, these videos are not for commercial purposes. I'm not paid for that. I just feel like sharing is caring, and probably I'm not paying anything to promote these videos. It's just, as I mentioned, doing it based on the principle that I believe sharing is caring, and I hope you like it. And hope to see you in the next video. Just a hint, next video will be on journalizing and journal entry. And as I mentioned, we are following from the beginning the accounting cycle based on GAAP, accrual based accounting. Thank you. Bye bye.